A little update on the River Rocks projects. The boat that I'm building to sell has been painted, and I'm getting ready to do the bottom paint on it. I still have to do some assembly work, of course, putting cleats on and lights and wiring. Got the gas tank and everything purchased already though for it, so it just needs to be put together. The color is jade mist green, and the top's cream with cream on the inside. The console is still got a little work to do on it, but it's getting there. The other boat has been primed, sanded, and primed again on the inside, and I'll be painting it here shortly. Had a cover on it from where I was painting the other boat. The console for this boat has been primed, and it's ready for paint. This is the console, the first one that I took and cut and added a little, about 5 inches of height to. So the other console will be about the same. This boat is put back together pretty much original. The deck is the original height. Everything's like it was from the factory. The other boat's got a little bit more customizations done to it. This boat's for sale. If you're interested, contact me. I'll have an email address in the comment section on the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.